In this video, we're going to show you create document, show you how to make part 20. Part 20, Junior Cycle Engineering. This is what part 20 looks like here. So we're going to start by making this outside rectangular shape that's 110 and 110, so it's 220 by 230. So we always start at the top, and we're going to sketch there on the top plane the center rectangle. So go into the center of the drawing, stretch it out. And as I said before, if you hit D on your keyboard, you can dimension it. This top dimension here is 230. Scroll out a little bit, and this one here is 220. Now in this here, there's quite a lot of these circles are all going to be able to be mirrored around. So we'll just draw these two up here. We'll dimension them and then we'll mirror them down. So if we hit C on our keyboard, just draw it anywhere at all. Hit escape, click these two circles, and we're going to make these equal. And we're also going to make them horizontal. Oh, sorry, we have to actually click the center, hit escape there, hit the center of the actual. Now, both those are diameter 4. So remember, if we hit D on our keyboard, and if we make just one of them 4, both of them are going to be 4 then. And they are in 20, down 20. This radius 20 here. So if we hit dimension again, click on this line, click on the center of this here, make that 20. Click here, click the center of that circle, make that 20. I'm going to do the same thing over here. And the opposite will be the horizontal. Escape that there, that's fine. We can also draw a circle from here up to this here, because that's 20 straight away. And if we hit M or trim, we can get rid of this and get rid of this. Over here we hit C for circle, in there, and M again to trim this. Trim this. We can also trim this and trim that. So that's got us this and this. Now this diameter 6 here has nothing equal down here, but we'll draw in this, 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 and this, and then we can start dimensioning it then. So circle one, making sure it's right in the center. Then we put one up here. One in the center again. So that's those three. And we have this one here that seems to be almost in line with this one. And we have these two here. Again, don't worry about where these are positioned. We'll index it. We'll dimension all these in a second, and there won't be there. If we put our 6 up here. Now that one is from the center of this one here over here is 40. So hit D on your keyboard from the center of here to the center of here. Now see the way it goes up at a little bit of an angle like that there, we want it straight down. That's 40. And it's coming down 25 from the top line, from here down to here. And it's diameter 6. So that's that one done. So then next, we look at the center one here. It's over 25. This one, go from here to here. Splitting that up, 25. And that one is diameter 4. And the next, these ones here, they're up 19 and over 22. So up at 19 and over 22. And they are. So they're undimensioned holes, remember. And undimensioned holes are 3.5. Next is this one here, but we can't dimension that one. We'll dimension that one when we do the bottom ones. So from here now over here, 13 and down 23 from this one. So over here, 13. Hmm, 13. And it's down 23 from diameter 6. Diameter 4. Now this one here and this one here. So if we just hit escape here for a second, this one here and this one here are horizontal, and they're 35 apart. So D again. Now this one though is M4, so we've got to make it 3.5. That's all the top ones done. What we're going to do now is we're going to mirror this, 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 and this down. So we'll go up here to mirror, and it's going to ask us what line do we want to mirror. It's this line here, and the circles we want it's that one, and that one. That one. No, we haven't dimensioned this one yet, so we haven't dimensioned this one because we'll do that at the bottom. Right, you hit the F key, bring it right into the center. So it's brought these down. This, oh yeah, we want to mirror this and this as well. And we can hit M to trim these corners off that we don't want. So next we're going to draw this 1, 2, 3, 4 circles here at the base. Circles. 1, 2, 3. They don't have to be exactly in any particular position. But this one here is over 36 and it's up 39. So D from the center over 36 and up 99. And this one is M4, so we're going to make it 3.5. And from There we can come over 24 for the center one. From here, over 24 for that center one. And that center one is diameter 14. And from that diameter 14, we can come over 36 for this one here. And we're going to come down 8. And that is, and 4 again, so that's 3.5. Now, drawing this one up here, thinking, skip, I could bring that down, but I'm actually just going to delete that, and we're going to mirror this one here, up here instead. So next, from here, we're going to measure over 67 and down 20. So D, from here to here, 67 and down 20 to the center. That is a 4.5. Now, see if we made a mistake there, you can just take that, double click it again, 4.5, and again, right click this one here, delete, because that was one, we're going to mirror this one and this one up there in a second. The final one then is this one here, which is over 24 and down 31. So dim over 24 and down 31, and that is M4 again, so 3.5. So finally, we're going to go mirror. What line are we going to mirror? About this line here, and it's this point, this circle, and this circle, and that's it complete. Part 20.